Welcome back to The Weekender. Today we're going to review the Boxio composting toilet. Stick around and we're going to tell you why we rated it so highly.
If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and click that bell. Here, we share adventures in our DIY built camper van, provide gadget reviews, and pass on travel tips. Let's face it, public bathrooms are the worst, right? Whether it's a grimy porta potty, a rank pit toilet, or the terrifying abyss of an outhouse. Nobody wants to be part of that nightmare. Luckily, there's a better, eco-friendly option, and it's called the Boxio Toilet Max Starter Kit.
First off, we just want to say that this is a 100% honest review. There's no brand deals, there's no affiliate links, but we are open.
This sleek little setup has got it all. For starters, it doesn't look like a toilet. It's compact, discreet, and stylish in its own low-key way. We like to call it milk crate chic. The starter kit comes fully loaded with everything you need to get going. Literally. Inside, you'll find the toilet base, composting material, a urine canister, liners, and a clever separator for liquid and solid waste. German-made from recycled plastic, it's tough on adventures and easy on the environment. And setting it up is a breeze. It stacks together. You use the clips to hold them together. Tuck in a liner. Add some natural wood chips or composting material. And you're ready for a clean, odor-free experience. It's perfect for those looking for a sustainable composting solution that doesn't involve harsh chemicals. A quick wipe down with a spritz of vinegar and essential oils makes it fresh and chemical-free. No need to worry about lingering odors or mystery germs. Let's be real, outhouses are straight out of a horror movie. They're dark, smelly, and full of, well, mysteries we'd rather not solve. Plus, who knows what kind of germs you're bringing back to your campsite. With the Boxio, you can leave the scares behind and embrace a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable camping experience. And if you're deep in the bush, it beats the old squat and shovel routine, right? No awkward balancing acts, no digging holes in mosquito territory. Just a clean, sturdy setup that works wherever you are. Durability? Check. This lightweight camping toilet can hold up to 220 pounds, but weighs just 6 pounds itself. Made from eco-friendly recycled plastic, it's built to last and designed to reduce environmental impact. And at $339 Canadian, it's a smart investment for your health, hygiene, and peace of mind on the road. Compact, composting, eco-friendly, and dare we say it, kinda cool.
To be honest, I wasn't really sold on this thing until I had a really bad camping bathroom experience. Now, I can't see us doing any trip without it.
So, whether you're avoiding grimy campground bathrooms, dodging horror movie vibes, or just want to keep things clean and chemical-free, the Boxio Composting Toilet Max Plus Starter Kit is a total game changer.
The Boxio Composting Toilet. Sanitary, compact, eco-friendly, affordable. This is a solid 10 out of 10, and you should buy it.
Trust us, your future self will thank you. And so will your nose.
No pit toilets required.